everyone, we're going to find the sum of the series given here. So we have a lot of summation signs, and what we can do is rewrite this. So let's rewrite it so we can use this. We want to probably use this formula here. That formula is going to be n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So let's look at this. Let's write our sum from m equals 1 to 10. And now for this piece here, we're going to write, since this is n, we're going to pull out the m. So write the m in front. That's some constant. Then we have the sum of n equals 1 to 5 of n. So that's the first piece. Now for this one, just copy down your sum from m equals 1 to 5, and then this can be broken up as the sum, let's see, from n equals 1 to 10 of m plus the sum from n equals 1 to 10 of n. All right. Now let's see what we have. So basically for this part, let's just copy this down. We have the sum from m equals 1 to 10. All right. Now this is going to be m. Now you take your 5, and we're using this formula here. So this is going to be 5 times 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2. All right. Minus, and now just copy this down again, the sum from m equals 1 to 5. Now this one, since these don't match, all you're doing is you're writing down m 10 times. So for this one, this some constant m. So that'd be m plus m 10 times. So that's just going to be m times 10. This one, we're going to use our formula because these two match, and we're going back to this formula. So that's going to be 10, and then 10 plus, because 10's up here, 10 plus 1 is 11, all divided by 2. All right, so we'll close that up. Now, this equals 15. So what I'm going to do is pull this out front here, and then I'm going to pull out my 10, and I'm going to have my minus 55. So I just wanted to do that because we're going to do that on the next slide. So let's do all of that. If you want to copy this down, you might want to do that. So we're going to get this equals 15 times the sum of m equals 1 to 10, and then we still had m, and then I'm going to pull out the 10 we had, so minus 10 times the sum of m equals 1 of m. So there's those two. And then we also had minus 55 times the sum of m equals 1 to 5. These are to 5 here, of 1, because that last term we had was 55. All right. So let's see what we get. For this one, this is this formula again, n times n plus 1 divided by 2. That's when you just have a variable there. These have to match. So you can have 15 times, and again, you start with this upper part here. So this is going to be 10 times 11 divided by 2. It's going to be 55 times 15 minus 10. Start with your 5. So this is going to be 5 times 6 divided by 2. And then minus 55. And then this 1 means we're going to write it down 5 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that's going to be times 5. All right, this is going to end up being, let's see, 825. This one is going to be 15 times 10 is 150. And this is going to be 275. So our sum is 400. 100. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.